In the last module, we have discussed the composition of proteins with reference to the 20 standard amino acids which are encoded by the codons. In this module, we will continue with the composition of proteins with reference to the amino acids which are not standard amino acids. In addition to the 20 amino acids, proteins may contain certain residues or created by the modification of common residues which are already incorporated in a polypeptide chain or in a protein molecule. So ये जो 20 अमीनो एसिड्स के अलावा अमीनो एसिड्स बनते हैं वो मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर 20 अमीनो एसिड्स जिनको हमने स्टैंडर्ड अमीनो एसिड डिफाइन किया था पिछले मॉड्यूल में, उसकी मॉडिफिकेशन की वजह से ये other amino acids बनते हैं which are called non-standard amino acids. Some proteins contain additional amino acids that arise by modification of an amino acid which is already present in a peptide chain or in a protein molecule. That is, after the protein has been synthesized. जब प्रोटीन synthesize हो चुकी होती है उस वक्त या ड्यूरिंग दी सिंथेसिस ऑफ ए प्रोटीन पेप्टाइड के अंदर मॉलिक्यूल जो है अमीनो एसिड का वो मॉडिफाई हो जाता है. इस मॉडिफिकेशन ये जो मॉडिफिकेशन होती है अमीनो एसिड्स की, दीज आर फ्रॉम दी 20 standard amino acid, but the modified amino acids are not called the standard amino acids. Examples include conversion of peptidyl proline and lysine. प्रोलीन किस में कन्वर्ट होगी? 4 हाइड्रोक्सी प्रोलीन में. इट मीन्स के कार्बन एटम नंबर 4 पे एक हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप लग जाएगा. Proline is, as we know, is a standard amino acid. Similarly, lysine is converted into the 5-hydroxylysine. It means के hydroxyl group is attached on number 5 carbon of the lysine. The conversion of another example is the conversion of peptidyl glutamate to carboxyglutamate, which is another form of non-standard amino acid which is converted from the glutamate, which is a standard amino acid. The other modifications are also present, are seen in the formation of proteins, during the formation of proteins or synthesis of a peptide. These are the methylation, which is the addition of a methyl group, or formylation, and similarly the addition of an acetyl group which is called acetylation. Another example is the pre-annihilation, which means the addition of a hydrophobic group to a particular amino acid, which is, as we have discussed, is during the formation of a polypeptide chain or after the formation of a polypeptide chain. A particular amino acid may be modified by these modifications which are listed in this slide. Similarly, phosphorylation of a certain amino acyl residue is also a example of the modification of the 20 standard amino acids. Among these uncommon amino acids, 4-hydroxyproline, which is a derivative of proline, and 5-hydroxylysine, which is derived from the lysine, ये दोनों जो हैं इस पे प्रोलीन पे 4 कार्बन एटम नंबर 4 पे एक हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप लग जाता है. इसी तरह लाइसिन पे कार्बन एटम नंबर 5 पे एक हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप अटैच हो जाता है, which converts these standard amino acids into modified non-standard amino acids. The former is found in plant cell wall protein, and both 4-hydroxyproline and 5-hydroxylysine are found in collagen. This is the structural arrangement of the 4-hydroxyproline. We have discussed that this is the carbon atom number 4. इसके ऊपर एक OH group लग जाता है, so it is converted from proline to 4-hydroxyproline. Similarly, the 5-hydroxylysine, this is the structure of a lysine अमाइनो एसिड. इसके कार्बन एटम नंबर 5 पे एक OH ग्रुप लग जाता है which causes its conversion into or its modification into 5-hydroxylysine. And as we have discussed in the last slide, these both are present in the collision. Another example is the 6N-methyl lysine, which means that at the 6 नंबर नाइट्रोजन जो कि अमाइनो ग्रुप है, इस पे 1, 2 और 3 तक मल्टीपल 1, 2 और 3 अप टू 3 तक मिथाइल ग्रुप्स अटैच हो जाते हैं, which causes either 6N methyl lysine और 6N methyl lysine, और अगर 3 अटैच हों तो इट इज़ कॉल्ड 6N methyl lysine. And this is a constituent of myosin, which is a contractile protein. This methylation of lysine also is effective in binding of histones, which are proteins which are bound to the DNA. Another important uncommon amino acid is the gamma carboxyglutamate, as we have discussed already, and this is the formation of the glutamate with the attachment of the carboxyl group, another carboxyl group on the gamma carbon atom, and it is found in the blood clotting proteins, which is prothrombin, and in certain other proteins that bind calcium as part of their biological functions. So this gamma carboxyglutamate is present in the blood clotting factors, which is most commonly in the prothrombin. This is the structure of gamma carboxyglutamate. We can see here ये alpha carbon है, this is beta, and this is gamma carbon. This is gamma carbon, and at gamma carbon another carboxyl group is attached, which is converting this standard amino acid into a modified amino acid, which is known as gamma carboxyglutamate, and we have discussed that it is present in the clotting factors. Composition of proteins, ये एक तरीकेकार हुआ conversion of amino acid from standard amino acid to modified amino acids, and the second is the some 300 additional amino acids have been found in cells but not as constituents of protein. Examples include ornithine and citrulline. ये citrulline और ornithine बनते हैं during the formation of urea or urea cycle में these are formed. Taurine is an other form which is found in bile acid. Similarly, delta aminolevulinic acid is an other amino acid which is a product formed during the synthesis of heme. D amino acids are also formed in which are also non-standard amino acids, because naturally occurring amino acids are 100%, almost 100% naturally occurring amino acids are at L form. So these D amino acids are also naturally occurring amino acids, and these are not standard amino acids. The examples are D-serines and D-aspartate, which is present in the brain tissue. Similarly, D-alanine and D-glutamate in the cell walls of gram-positive bacteria is also formed, and these are not the standard amino acids, which are the standard amino acids for alanine and glutamine are in the L form. D amino acids are also found in some antibiotics. So there are we have summarized the 3 different formation of non-standard amino acid. One is modification, second is the D and alanine D form, and the other is in between. These 2 modifications are during the synthesis of the other cycles like urea cycles or in the synthesis of heme, the gamma amino levulinic acid.